And we're back. Michele in the Kitchen, Isolation Edition. And we're making...
With Elisa Tauro.
With me.
Of course.
What are we making?
Daughter. Our Sunday pasta at the cottage.
For 3, since it's quarantine.
Right. And a lovely place to spend our quarantine too. So because we don't like to do too much work at the cottage, I prepared the meatballs at home and froze them unfried with containers that I always save whenever we order sushi or sashimi. And then brought the meatballs up and then we fry them. And so then all we have to do is make the sauce.
Yeah.
So here's what we're gonna do. We put the grease from, look how I'm cutting this, right? Not the...
That's good, not the granny way. You're doing the good way.
I know.
Kind of.
Yeah, kind of, whatever.
I like onion and garlic, so we're putting both in.
Right. Just a little bit since it's only 3 of us.
Yeah, so 1 clove of garlic and like it's maybe a quarter of an onion.
Right, and minced. And then, Illy, what did we put in the pan already?
Olive oil. You want to cover at least the bottom of the pan.
Right.
A little bit extra.
Okay, this might be awkward going back and forth.
You're gonna put the pan,
You're gonna. Again, the gonna.
Okay, we're not getting too close now.
Yeah, no, we...
Okay, you can put it on a high heat. Throw the garlic, onion, olive oil, and let that simmer so the onions soften.
And it's going to be extra tasty because we use the garlic and the juices from the fried meatballs.
Face the camera.
You know it's ready when it's soft and yellow.
The onions.
The onions and the garlic. Being sure not to burn.
Right. Okay. All right, after about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your stove, you are going to put, we're using 1 can of pureed tomatoes. And you're going to pour lovingly, gently.
And that is the best
That's
sound.
a good sound.
Okay, since it doesn't have to cook that long, we can add the meatballs for flavor. I'm gonna say, we don't need to put all of them in. These we can save for later. Or if you want the meatball sandwich the next day with a nice piece of bread or whatever. Okay.
Bring it to a boil and then turn it down. Okay, so while the sauce is cooking on low heat right now, almost ready, we've boiled some water and put pasta in. So you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Right.
One thing to do also while the pasta is cooking,
Once the sauce is finished.
once the sauce is finished, is you take the meatballs out of the sauce. And there you have it. All the meatballs are out of the sauce, and we'll put those on the side.
Right. The pasta's coming off. Well, the pasta, when it's ready, and that's all.
Yeah. It has to be done very fast, or else the pasta sticks.
Right. A little bit of sauce. And then put a meatball, and Ellie, you grate the cheese. Right, and spaghetti and meatballs just does not work.
It's not a thing.
No. And there you have it.